let's break our brains and talk about the biggest structure we've discovered so far in the observable universe. It's called the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. This is a structure of tons and tons of galaxies that is estimated to be 10 billion light years across. So we estimate that the observable universe is about 93 billion light years across, making this structure spanning over 1/10 of the entire observable universe. The name is actually somewhat of a misnomer. So first of all, it's not really shaped like a wall. Second of all, we identified this using gamma ray burst data, and where we noticed this large cluster or collection of galaxies existed from our perspective in the sky around the constellations of Hercules and Corona Borealis. The actual structure based on the gamma ray data spans many other constellations, including Lyra, Boötes, and Gemini. But really that structure sits about 10 billion light years behind those galaxies, because those stars are actually within our Milky Way and we are not within the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. So a better name for it might be the Great Coincidence, not the Great Wall. The thing is that some scientists aren't convinced that it actually exists. So according to physicist theories, the universe should look relatively homogeneous once you past a certain scale. So once you're looking at a chunk of the sky, say about 1 billion light years across, it should look relatively the same. Meaning we shouldn't be able to detect any particular structures larger than that. But the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is about 10 times that size. So either our initial theory that the universe looks homogeneous at that scale is wrong, or we are misinterpreting the data that is showing us that the Great Wall exists in the first place. Another reason why scientists are skeptical is because this structure is so massive that light traveling across it from its formation wouldn't have even had time from the far side to reach the other side. So we really don't know how large it is because the light hasn't had time to travel all the way across its length. But if you like content like this, please like this post and follow me. I share lots of cool stuff I learn about space because my 5-year-old son and I are obsessed with it. Thanks for watching.